My window AC keeps turning off and flashing 88.
What's the brand and model of your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
There was a storm and we lost power, so it's been acting weird since. Keeps beeping and flashing 88.
How long has this been going on with your air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Just happened last night and I can't get it to work all day. Turned on and off, unplugged, pressed power button for a long time, tried changing mode and speed.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No, it's a small window AC. Do you want the model number?
Hi, my name is. You're having trouble with your unit. Do you have an exact model number for it, so that I can give you the most correct answer? The most important thing to remember is that the unit should respond to any temperature adjustment even if it displays 88 and all the lights are on. Otherwise, you might be looking at a faulty control board. The other potential trigger of this General Electric AC code is a failed sensor. Let me know if there is anything else I can assist you with.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.